और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
UMB Kaseng Congress na Tura saling sangma Tyrwa ka Sarkar Pedeng bakan Pynïasoh ya ka Mendipathar railway station shikja ka Sorjong ki Jylla ki behe shabar ka Jylla kata Shakenya Kumari Mumbai New Delhi mat Kolkata hagajing kram ikilar pathai kubor hakar pusan trik unai lar arajar alpusan usang mau lakin turu ya ka Sarkar Pedeng bakan wanra no dakarel kitmar shiki benta kerilum garo dag bapen pau bagan gathan kalakiu baha hagajing pinmi ya ki marab bat kajing dan choki karkhana.
And then super fast train, it should connect from Mendipathar to Kanyakumari, Mendipathar to Mumbai, Mendipathar to New Delhi, and then moreover comprehensive of all the issues looking at the scenario of the Garo Hills. I have asked for the goods train also, which the minister and the Prime Minister himself is agreed upon that they will look into this matter. Goods train from Mendipathar itself. Unless and until we get the goods train from Mendipathar, Garo Hills is not going to benefit out of that. No, right now actually, when you talk about the influx, the train enters only 14 kilometers till Mendipathar. It's only 14 kilometers from the Assam border. And then moreover, since it's only a two-passenger, train, till now not much of an influx is there. But if we make a bigger platform, then we might have to, look at the security side also. Then we might have to bring, lots of other issues like, about the checking points, where all those passengers coming from where, those kinds of checkpoint is required. Now that's why I'm not asking to extend it till Jengjal or other parts of the Garhwals, but I just wanted that particular train in Mendipathar itself to be expanded, take the expansions of the stations and the extensions of the train to go to any nook and corner of the India.
So, it's not that to other parts of Garo Hills?
No, not to other parts of the Garo. Otherwise, you see, when you talk about the influx, unless and until there is a proper place in like security checkpoint, then I cannot take risk of my people. Without having a proper checkpoint, I don't think it's wise for me to ask for that. Unless and until government has got some other reason to extend it. But I want the expansion of the train and extend it, the route from Mendipathar to Kanyakumari, to Mumbai, to Delhi, to Calcutta, like that. Right now, it's only operating from Mendipathar to Guwahati only, and no other goods train. Now, for example, we are talking about the agro-based industries, we are talking about lots of entrepreneurship program out there. Unless and until we have a goods train, then where our product will be, delivered? How do you supposed to, market it? So likewise, accordingly, we have planned and we have discussed with the ministers that since Garo Hills is the, organic area where we can concentrate more of the organic, organic agriculture, that way we can export it to other parts of the state.